Hello friends, how you doing today? Welcome to my channel and thank you so much for joining me. I'm here to work on my December daily and I've already got it open here. It's this one right here. And I am working on day number 18. I'm a little behind, but I'm not panicking. I'm not panicking. So let's see, this is the 16, 17, so 18 will be right here. And so I'm going to go ahead. I already have a pocket here. I had a couple of little pieces of ephemera here, and I moved them to the back so I can use them later. But let's see. So I'm going to put right here my 18, since I've already got a pocket here. And this is, just made from this scrapbook paper. And I have a little tag here, a little to from tag that I had already put down there to decorate. But I'm going to put this right beside it. Right there, even if I cover that up a little bit. Actually, I might just put it right there, just wherever it fits. So let's put some glue on there. Let's see if I can get this pin out of here. Yeah, the ball came off of the top here of the pin, but I was like, I wonder if I can still use that. It's a stainless steel pin. So far, so good. I have more. I just, haven't gone to. I have them in the other room, so I haven't gone in there and got a new one yet, so just stuck that one back in there. But hope everyone's having a good day. I'm a little behind because we celebrated Christmas. I'm doing this on Sunday, the 19th. I'm doing the 18th. And we celebrated Christmas today and my daughter-in-law's birthday because certain members of our family have to work on Christmas Day, and today was a day when everyone had the day off, the only day before Christmas that everyone could get together. So, we celebrated today. And so I'm making a tag. I'm doing my daughter-in-law's tag today. So I, previously made these collage tags or, cut up a master board. And so I'm going to go ahead and finish this with you on the video today. So what I've been doing is just, I had made 3 of these, so I have one more. So then I'm going to have to make some more for the rest of my family members. But in the meantime, we can just go with these and use these up. So, and I'm making them nice and tall so I can fit all the information on the back. And I've been sharing a little bit of information with you on each family member, whatever I find interesting. So her favorite color is neon green, which is also, I'm going to call it, my son called it neon green, and it really is neon green, but it's more of a lime green. So not necessarily neon, but kind of neon. And lime, let's see, her favorite food, I told you already, was pizza. And let's see, anything else that you would find interesting? I don't think so. Oh, I'll tell you her hobbies are scrapbooking and crafting. She just likes to craft. She'll make cards, for holidays and birthdays and things, Mother's Day. And she'll just make whatever she needs. Like today for her birthday, she has a Cricut. And she made in the doorway between their living room and kitchen, she put a bunch of I'm going to call them strings. And all the strings she cut out with her Cricut, little numbers of her age. so it's like a curtain of strings with their number all up and down on these strings. It made a little doorway there that you had to kind of walk through. It was really cute. I thought she bought it somewhere, and she said, no, I cut those out on my Cricut. And I was like, oh wow, that's really cool. What a good idea, so just stuff like that. She's really crafty like that. So let's get a little topper for this. I picked this one out because it had some of the green on it, like her favorite color. Just a lot of greens, but a little bit brighter. My son's had some of that on it too. So, and he's right here. So I wanted to put her next, and then will be Riley's tag their baby, my granddaughter. So let's see, topper. And I'm using my little scraps here for the topper. So I've got quite a few. What's this? It has, just stuck on there. I was like, this one has a bell on it. It's just stuck on there. So let's pick out a color. This is whitish. This is a selvage edge. Here's a red one. That one would look pretty. And let's see what I put. I put my a green one on my son's. This one right here. Let me see. Let me move this down. This one right here. Little green topper. So, yeah, I just want to keep that up there because I'm working on hers. So this, I mean, any of these would go. So it doesn't really matter. Do I have any others? See what all my choices are. Another one of those. Here's a solid red piece. And red polka dots. Red with polka dot, white polka dots. And another one of the poinsettia ones. Okay, so I don't think, just want to make sure that's it. Okay, I don't think I've used this one right here, so I'm going to go ahead and use this. They're a little short, so I'm just been tying them like this in a little kind of single knot here just to keep it on, but have something at the top. Put it in the front here, and I might tie a double knot in this one. It's long enough for a double knot. And then maybe I can turn it around. Let's see if I can turn it around so that the right side is facing out. Yeah, there we go. Okay. It's not perfect, but it's just my journal, you know. Yeah, that looks cute. Okay. Just using my scraps here. Okay, let's put all these away. And I've chosen one. And then let's see, I need a focal point. So I was thinking of, I wanted to look at these stickers. And I was going to show you what I did after my last video for my December daily. I was looking at this. We did this one together, this page where I put Maradell's postcard. And I added 2 stickers because at the time I was trying to find something on video to go on this little pocket I made here. And I couldn't really, you know, find anything at the moment. But then after the video, right after the video, I was like, stickers. You know, I kind of like all of a sudden saw my stickers. And so I pulled these 2 out. And they look really super cute on here. A little snowflake. These are like puffy. So a little snowflake in this little hot cocoa cup. And I thought that would just look so perfect on there, like it was meant to be, right? Oh, and I added, what else? After the video, I think during the video I said I wanted to add a snowman jingle bell. And I decided just to hang it right here on the bottom of these bells. There was a little extra string here. See how much string was in between this and the bottom? And there was nothing there. So I just hung my little snowman bell right there, and I think it looks really cute there. So all my little things hanging there. So yeah, I did that after the video, my last video. Okay, so we're looking for a pretty kind of focal point to go on here. Let's see, so the truck's too big. This house, it might be a kind of like a bigger focal point, like maybe one of these Santas. It doesn't matter which one. This one has kind of more green on him. Maybe not, but yeah, this one, he's got green on him too. But for some reason, this one is like calling to me, like it's the perfect size or something. It just looks really nice, I think. So I think I'm just going to go with this Santa. So I'll just put a little bit of extra glue on here and glue him down. And this will be done. So today, since we celebrated Christmas today, I think I'm going to save the next 2 pages for Christmas. I want to print out some pictures and, you know, decorate, things like that, the pages. So maybe by my next video, I'll be able to print out a couple of pictures and put those on the next 2 pictures for our Christmas celebration, which was today. So we have we took family pictures. We just do selfie family pictures, but for some reason, the way my son took the pictures and the way he does it, the pictures usually turn out really, really cute, I think. So yeah, we will, I'll show you a couple of pictures in my next video, but there it is, done, topper information. So that's done. We put a number here. So on my next video, I'm going to try to do at least 1 and 2 for Christmas, and then we'll move on to, if I don't get anything in the mail, maybe I'll do Riley's tag on this page. So I will see you all next time. Have a great day. Happy crafting, and I'll see you in my next video. See you later.